Crews carefully paint the field at Toyota Stadium, transforming its pitch into a gridiron for high school football.
The fact that our kids get to play places like this, it's just next level.
I've always said this city is great because it's got visionaries behind it, both in business and sports and leadership. And what's coming now and in the coming years here is going to be extraordinary.
This stadium, when it was built, was so far ahead of its time. It's going to be a world-class sports stadium.
Striping the field isn't the only transformation happening at Toyota Stadium. Renovation started 2 years ago.
All in favor? Aye. The motion passes 6-0.
That's when the Frisco City Council approved up to $182 million in stadium improvements. The stadium first opened in 2005.
I think it's going to serve as an inspiration point for many generations to come.
The improvements are possible through a public-private partnership involving the City of Frisco and the Hunt family, as well as the Frisco Independent School District and the Frisco Community Development Corporation.
I think everybody from fans to taxpayers to high school athletes, everybody that's going to be using this facility, it's going to exceed everybody's expectations.
Improvements to Toyota Stadium can't be missed. You might say the red steel steals the show and provides long-awaited shade.
If you're familiar with soccer, at the San Siro Stadium in Italy where AC Milan plays, which was my childhood favorite club, it's famous for the red steel in the building.
Other improvements include more seating, bigger bathrooms, and another club for a total of 2. Both are decked in luxurious style.
We'll have clubs on each side.
And the stadium's east side welcomes fans like never before.
It feels inviting, right? And so that was planned because with camera and stuff all going in right here, it's going to feel like one team, one dream.
I told you.
For Dan Hunt, the stadium improvements are changes he's confident would make his father, Lamar Hunt, very proud.
My dad would think what great fortune to have wound up in Frisco, Texas, in such an amazing community. He always wanted to grow the game of soccer, but also grow football too.
Whether Toyota Stadium is hosting high school football or professional soccer, athletes score a state-of-the-art facility where everyone wins.